I'm a software application developer. I'm on the production support team. I'm working on getting AWS certified. I was learning from scratch and learning on the job. So I had no idea that AWS Cloud was so huge. It's really complicated system. That's why I started going through your program, because I knew there was no way I was going to be able to pass the certification test blindly. And like I said, I'm about 40% through. There's a lot of stuff. While I'm going through the training program, really has helped me with my job, because I'm now, me and infrastructure lead, we're probably the group SMEs on cloud for everything that we're doing. And I will be honest and pay you guys a compliment. It's because of the training program that I'm going through with you guys. I'm a former Navy instructor. I'm certified with them, and the approach that your company uses for your training is very similar to what our military uses. Classroom, hands-on, labs, everything. So I'm very used to that, and I like it. I like the hands-on portion of it. I find that to be really helpful. So I think labs are the most important that I get the most use out of. I'll tell you, it has been a learning experience for the entire company. We had remote located physical servers. So it took about probably a year and a half for us to do the total migration from co-located physical servers into AWS Cloud. What I take the afternoons to work on my Cloud Academy training, and then the mornings I'm doing my 9-to-5 job. Yes, I do. Stuart Scott, yeah, he is really good. I like his delivery, the way he explains things. He's easy to understand, and I read his blog a lot.